Okay, so here we have fs equals to 2 over 2 squared plus 3s plus 2. Now let's perform inverse Laplace transformation on fs to obtain ft. So first of all, if we look at the fs, we cannot use Laplace transformation table directly. So we have to change the form of the equation or the fs in order for us to use the table. Right. So in order for us to use the table, we have to perform partial fraction decomposition, right? So basically we need to change the form of this equation or the fs into a over s plus a, b over s plus 2, and so on. However, first of all, you can see that this term, the term below here, the numerator here, we can is actually is equals to s plus 2 multiplied with s plus 1. Right, this term here, s squared plus 3s plus 2, is actually equals to s plus 2 multiplied with s plus 1. We can factor the term here, right? Now once we do this, we can further decompose the equation to a over s plus 2 plus b over s plus 1. So that's what we going to do now. That is to solve for a and b. So let's change color. Okay, so solve a, right? To solve a, multiply both sides, right? With, we want to solve a, we have to multiply both sides with s plus 2, right? So if you do that, 2 s plus 2 s plus 2 s plus 1 a over s plus 2 s plus 2, right? So remember both sides, okay, meaning that both a and b as well, right? You can cancel this, cancel this, cancel this. Now next is we have to replace. All right, let me change, move this here. Okay, so we have to replace s with, so to make this to 0, okay, to make this into 0, we have to change s with -2 so that this will be 0, right? S equals -2. So now we have 2 over -1, right here, -1 a, right? So a is -2. So next is to solve b, right? To solve for b, multiply both sides we want to solve for b, we have to multiply both sides with s plus 1. Right? S plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 1, a over s plus 2, s plus 1. And of course, both sides, right? You can cancel out this, and this, right? Now replace s with -1, s with -1, right? So let's do that. We have 2 here, -1 is 1 here, and then b, then this will be 0, right? So b is now 2. So we have a as -2, b as 2, right? So now 2 over s plus 2, s plus 1, 1 equals to a is -2 over s plus 2 plus 2, b is 2, s plus 1, right? This is a, this is b. A is -2, right? One, right? So b is plus 2. So we can now we can use Laplace transformation table to solve for, to do inverse Laplace transformation, right? So ft equals inverse Laplace of fs, which is inverse Laplace of -2 s plus 2 plus inverse Laplace of 2 over s plus 1, right? So next can get ft, sorry, ft equals here -2 e -2t plus 2 e -1t. So this is from here. So if 1 over s plus a, then the inverse Laplace is exponential -a t. So a is in this case 2, right? So we have 2 here, and here we have -2, and in front here we have -2, right? This is -2, then here is also -2.